Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this flavour-packed tikka fish curry. The full list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. Make a start by chopping up 1 red onion. I'll also chop 2 cloves of garlic. Now I'll heat a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'll fry my onions until soft under a medium heat, and I'll keep them moving so they don't burn. Once my onions are soft, I'll drop in a couple of cardamom pods, and then in goes the chopped garlic. I've turned the heat down low at this point, and I've added some freshly grated ginger and allow that to cook out for a couple of minutes. Now I'll go in with some soft brown sugar and I'll give that a good stir in. Now I'll add a couple of tablespoons of tomato puree. This is the tikka paste I'll be using, and I'll add 3 very generous heaped tablespoons. I'll stir in the paste and allow to cook for a couple of minutes. Then I'll go in with a can of chopped tomatoes. I'll leave that to infuse under a medium heat for 10 minutes, stirring in between time. After 10 minutes, I'll remove the cardamom pods and blend the sauce. After blending, I'll return my sauce back to the stove and I'll add some boneless, skinless, raw chunks of fish. This is a bag of different varieties of fish, and I'll stir that into my sauce and allow to cook for 10 minutes with the lid on. The fish is cooked through now, and I'll be generous with the seasoning, adding salt to taste and a little mild chili powder and plenty of ground black pepper. I've turned the heat off at this point and I'll stir in 3 heaped tablespoons of ground almonds. For some creaminess, I'll stir in a couple of tablespoons of double cream. And I'll go in with a couple of big handfuls of chopped coriander. And there it is, super simple and tasty fish tikka curry. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Drop me a comment and please like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take really good care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.